Hello y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm sharing with you a grocery haul slash meal plan on a budget. I'm gonna try. So what I did was write down everything that we needed for the meals, what we already had, and then what I needed to pick up. And then I wrote down my extras, which would be like things that we don't have to have but are nice. Also, they don't contribute to our meals, so like dog food and shampoo and stuff. So here it is right here. So I wrote down the meal plan on this side with what we already had, and then I put what I need to get, and I tried to estimate like what the prices are. That way when I'm done I have an idea of how much money it's gonna cost total. So the plan is to do a roast, chicken and rice, chicken and dumplings, sandwich, taco salad, beans, cornbread, and ham hock. And then I put what I needed to get for those things. And down here I even broke it down further, so to see what do we spend the most on. So junk and then actual food that we need is pretty equal. And Chloe's dog food. And then we only need hand soap and dish liquid this week, so not too bad on the like household stuff. But this is my list. I'm hoping to stick to it. Anyway, I'm hoping to get it under $100. That's for 2 people and 2 weeks worth of dog food, so we shall see. Alright, I'll meet you right back here once I get all the groceries in the house. Okay y'all, I'm back from the grocery store. If you hear noises, it's Aaron trying to mess with us. Okay, so spent $82 on all of this, which is awesome. Okay, so let's go to it. Onions, these were, I think, under $2. Same thing with the potatoes. This lettuce was $1.88. It's much cheaper to buy a head of lettuce, but I like it like this already done. But if you are needing to spend only like $50 a week, definitely buy your lettuce in a whole, because it's like 60 cents. Alright, same thing, instead of buying the Tyson brand, you could buy the Food Line brand chicken nuggets, but we like the Tyson brand chicken nuggets better, so those were $5. Oatmeal was under $2. This was my treat. Y'all know if you've been here for a while that those are my treats. That was $2. The Monster ones and Starbucks ones were $3, so I decided to get that one because it's cheaper. These were 89 cents. Probably would do much cheaper at Walmart, but I like to shop everything in one store. Saves money on gas. Okay, convenience. So these were $4.99. Definitely buy in bulk if you don't want to spend $5 for a pound of hamburger meat, but I do like these a lot. Okay, bag of beans. These are dry beans. These are for our, when we have beans and cornbread. I like to do it once a week. Aaron's not a big fan of beans because he likes meat to go with it, but whatever. Anyway, these were under, I think they were like $1.29 or something like that. This was $2.29. I normally don't share prices because I forget, but I'm gonna try today because this is like more of a budget type grocery haul. Okay, so these tortilla shells were the cheapest at $2.29. Doritos were on sale, buy one get one free, so that's another tip. You, depending on what store you go to, you don't have to buy 2 to get them 1 for free. So these were regularly $4.29, but we got them for $2.15, which is awesome because we're making taco salad tonight. Okay, these were $1 something. Same thing with these. We needed some razors, so I got some of those. Normally we do go for the name brand ones. They just last longer than these little disposable ones, but this will do for now. These were $1.39 hamburger buns. So of course I don't use coupons, so I think on the thumbnail I put no coupons needed. I don't use coupons because I normally just buy the generic brand of an item, or I shop when something is on sale. That way I don't have to worry about coupons, and then also I'm not buying stuff that I wouldn't have bought in the first place. Like when I did do coupons, I bought a lot of stuff because there was a coupon for it. In the long run, I wasn't saving any money because I didn't need those items in the first place. And also, most coupons are for brand named items, and a lot of times generic brands are going to be cheaper than a name brand even with a coupon. So the only time I would use a coupon is if it's going to be cheaper than the name brand, which is rare. So this little soap, it's kind of like a soft soap. I thought I could just add essential oils to it and make it smell good because it doesn't have a scent. But it was 79 cents, which is, Food Lion's not really cheap on their like household products, but 79 cents for a bottle of soap is pretty good because soft soap costs $1. Okay, these are like Cheez-Its. Aaron, I got generic Cheez-Its. Haha. He may not eat them. He likes brand name stuff. Anyways, I got some milk to be able to make my cornbread. And for whatever else, salsa, which was, I could not find salsa under $2. So I think this was like $2.19. And then shredded cheese was, oh man, $2. It was 2 for $4. So $2. Those were like $1.89 or 2 for $3. So actually they were $1.50. And then this was $1.89. This big old thing of dish liquid. Y'all, have not done my dishes because I ran out of dish liquid. So now I have a ton. These little strawberry swirls were $1.50. And then Chloe's dog food is $7.99 each. But when it comes to dog food, I get what I know she will eat, and she will eat this. And then of course we got drinks. So they're bottled drinks. They're like 16 ounces or 12 ounces, something like that. They're on sale for 4 for $10. So I got 4 of them. So there was $10. Sometimes we get 6, and then it would be more about like 15 to, no, closer to $20. Sometimes our drinks are what's most expensive most of the time. But as you can see, I still have 2 packs of drinks, one for each of us, hiding under there. So we really didn't need to get 3 of each this time. But that's our grocery haul. And that's how I save money on groceries whenever I'm feeling like it. We don't do this all the time, but I did want to do this video for y'all so you know that you don't have to use coupons to go grocery shopping, and you can still get it for under a certain amount. $82 for 2 people, plus her dog food was $16 out of that. So we only spent around 60 bucks, a little bit over $60 for our stuff. That's pretty good. Anyways, comment down below if you thought that was helpful, and I will see y'all back here in tomorrow's video. Bye!